So my name is Jorik. We're doing a very interesting event for AMG and IWC.
That's why we're here, to do some kick-ass drone show. With, in the background, two world-class race drivers, Russell and Lewis Hamilton.
Last year we flew above Caesar's Palace, of course. Two shows, one in the front, one in the back. This year we're flying above cars, which are drive-in, in the biggest show box we ever done.
We've never really done anything like it before. Drones will be flying extremely low, making all kinds of neat shapes over the track, including following the cars. The drones will be flying as low as 2 meters above the track, which you can encounter a bunch of different difficulties in that situation. Behind us, I mean, we have 1,116 drones. Ready to go, ready to fire away. They will be flying anywhere from 2 meters to 120 meters above the track.
The full track, which spans like 900 meters or something, the track is not even. We had to do several tests where we measured height and stuff like that.
What we've been doing here with 1,000 drones is exceptional. I've never seen it before.
Normally our drone light shows are 100% automated. This time we have a human aspect, which are the drivers. Drivers need to be in sync with the lights.
So we're gonna do some laps to test the speed and get the drivers to drive 42 seconds per lap. So I'm gonna time them and we're gonna see how that's gonna work out.
And it has to be exactly 42 seconds per lap?
Yes, basically yes. So then otherwise it's gonna be too slow or too fast.
So that's gonna be a challenge, but we have world-class drivers, so if anyone can nail it, it's them.
Go ahead. Russell, stay behind. Go, 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 go. Alright, Russell, take over. Going into the fourth lap, and you can now drive freely. Take over when you feel it's fun. Yep, awesome.
Right, nice, right? I mean, it's impressive. Chasing the lights creates this dance between two cars and the lights, also trying to create this movement above the track. And then you see the drones forming into the shape of a tunnel, and then the cars like phew.
And then the first car driving through is actually sort of opening the tunnel, and the one behind it is sort of closed. So we used white light and blue light to highlight actually the two cars driving through the tunnel. Seeing that coming to life, especially with all the, the wide shots of the drones, and really seeing the connection between the racetrack, the cars and the drones, is truly amazing. What we're actually doing here is really pushing the boundaries with what we have been doing with drones. We really try to make the connection between the speed of the cars and the drones itself to show.
We're already over here at the pilot's table. You like to somewhere? Are you good?
Stand by for start.
Drones launching in 3 minutes, 30 seconds.
So I'm super stoked to see the result and see if everything we came up with and we figured out in the studio works out, and if it all comes together. So it's super exciting to see what's going to happen.
Please stand by. Starting pre-roll in 3, 2, 1, start.
Pre-roll started.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,